Assalamu alaikum. I am Modit and I am again back with a new video. So today the video is about a laser light project, and this project is about controlling the home automation with the help of laser, and the main fact is about no use of microcontroller like Arduino and Raspberry Pi. Nothing I've just used some transistors, resistors, LDRs, and it's done. I mean, if you will put on the laser light on the LDR, on one LDR, light will be on, and if you put the laser light on another LDR, light will be off. And the main fact is about where I got this idea. I got this idea from the serial of Mr. Bean. He used to put off his light with the help of a gun, so I used a laser gun in this project. Hope you will like the video, and here's the view of my project. This is my circuit, and hope you can see this. There is one transistor is here and the other transistor is here, and I have used the two LDRs. This is the second one, and this is the first one. It is used to turn the light on, and this is used to turn the light off. Now I will show you it's working. So this is my laser light, and hope you can see this there. Light is on, and it will remain on, as you can see there. It will remain on. Now it's off. So now LDR, and it's on. So now I will explain it's working. The first one is our thyristor. This is basically a thyristor which conducts when we apply the voltage, that is gate terminal, and its middle leg is gate terminal here. This is the gate terminal, and when small voltage is applied like 0.8 volt, it starts conducting the current which flows from anode to the cathode. This is the anode and this is the cathode. It flows from this and to this until we will apply the gate current. But if we will not apply any gate current to it, there will be no conduction. When we will apply the gate current, it will start conducting forever until this anodic current is stopped. If we will stop this current, there will be no current through the thyristor, and if we want to conduct it again, we will again have to apply the gate terminal, and again we will have to apply the anodic current. You can find it more working on the Google. I can't explain this in this video. So here is our second transistor, which is 2N tetra 2 NPN. It's basically an NPN transistor, and I have used it to stop the current which will deliver to the anode of the thyristor. I will explain its working later. And it's our LDR. In darkness its resistance is a few mega ohms, but in light its resistance is just few ohms. The first one resistor is 10K, and the second one is 330 ohm resistor, which I have used in this video. And here is my LED which I have used. This is its plus terminal and its negative terminal is here. So first of all, we will connect this thyristor like this. Hope you can see it clearly. This one is lag. Okay, and now we will connect the LDR at its gate. This is its gate, and here I have connected this small resistance 330 ohms in with its gate. So basically how it's work, when if we will apply the anodic current here, and in light when its resistance is just few ohms, then all the voltage will drop at this resistance, this 330 ohm resistance, and hence there will be a small voltage which will apply to this gate terminal. But if its resistance in dark, its resistance is so much high, then all the voltage drop will occur at this LDR, and there will be no voltage will be delivered to the gate voltage to the gate terminal, and the thyristor will be on cutoff state. And here is our second transistor. This is our second transistor. It's our second transistor, and now I will connect the collector resistance here. This is the collector resistance which I will connect here. This is the collector resistance. Okay, so now it's done to connect the LDR. LDR is connected here. Okay, and I will ground its other terminal. You can see this. Okay, so it's this terminal is grounded, while the other is while its first resistance is connected to the positive terminal. Okay, now when the light falls on this LDR, its resistance becomes so much small and the transistor will be in cut off state. But when it is in dark, the transistor will be in saturation region and there will be continuous current flowing to this collector to this emitter. So I will take this current, okay, to its collector, to its anodic current. I will put it here and I will connect just this LED. To there. Hope you can see this. So it's our whole circuit. This is first thyristor. Here it is. This is our first thyristor and it's our second one. This is our second one. This is our first one, and we will connect the ground of this thyristor to the ground. So this is our whole circuit. As you can see, this our first thyristor, its connections, our second transistor, its connections, and now we will connect the batteries. First battery, and it's our second one. But I will turn off the light and I will connect this, because in this light it will start connecting. I will show you it in darkness. Okay, so guys, as you can see, I have darked my room, and here's my laser and it's the LDR. I will put it. You can see when I have put the LDR, light on the LDR, the light goes on. It's now on.